This is the Vintage Coach Change Purse, style number 6903 in the color British Tan, and I would estimate it was most likely made in the 90s. So this is a cute little kiss lock coin purse or change purse. Here it's got a kiss lock closure here up top, and it's also got the Coach cartouche stamped on the inside, as you can see right here. And then it's got a little seam here along the bottom with this little panel. Both sides look pretty much identical, and then here's what the sides look like. So yeah, like the name suggests, it's just a cute little change purse. And then I'll show you the inside again. It's got a nice clean interior, so it's in really nice condition. But yeah, anyway, that is the change purse, style number 6903. This is a great addition to any handbag, and it is available now in our online store. So I will leave the link below in case you wanted to look at it more. But otherwise, thanks for watching, take care, and we'll see you next time.